So these clients in particular really loved the way their old wood shake roof looked. They've enjoyed that look for such a long time now, and so they really wanted to stay with that wood shake. We did try to find a different product in the asphalt industry, even the synthetic polymer side of things, but at the end of the day, they just kept coming back to wood shakes. Now, a typical wood shake roof is about a 1/2 inch thick, and these wood shakes up here are actually 7/8 thick, and so they are a jumbo wood shake. It is the largest wood shake roof that you possibly could buy in terms of its thickness. It was manufactured in Canada. It was really cool. They got to send us some videos during the manufacturing process of what that looked like for them up there, of these specific shakes that they were making. And then they got shipped down here, and we got them installed in a full week, 5 days is what it took us to do. It's a pretty amazing process from the beginning to the end, and at the end of the day, these customers are really happy with the new roof and the way it looks.